Hello, it's Elliot from Kent Estate Agencies, and here we are today at number 53 Sunnyhill Road. Now this is a really charming little bungalow. It's a semi-detached bungalow with 2 bedrooms found only a short walk away from the seafront in Hampton, and it is in need of a bit of refurbishment throughout, and you'll see that as we go around, but it's a really lovely opportunity, this one. So as we come into the main living space of the property, straight in off of the door there, you're going to get an idea of really the amount of space that's on offer with this property. It's really surprisingly quite spacious for a 2-bedroom semi-detached bungalow. It's lovely. You've got a really nice little courtyard area to the front, as well as the rear garden there that we'll go and take a look at a little bit later. We'll go through and take a quick look at the kitchen here. As you can see, you've got the plumbing for the dishwasher there, and you've got the gas hob top there as well. So you've got the gas feed in here, so when you come to updating it, you can have the gas fitted fixture there and the updated washing machine. Now, coming into bedroom number 2, as you can see, you've got those units set up on the wall. The previous owner used this space as a bit of a workshop area, a bit of a working from home space, but it can easily be used as bedroom number 2 and is a really good size, with a nice little window there out looking over to the private courtyard at the front of the property. We'll take one last little look at that bedroom before going back through the main lounge space and going through to have a look at the master bedroom. Now, the master bedroom with this property, again, is a really good size, and you've got the French doors leading out to the rear garden, which is really, really nice. The rear garden with this property, as you'll see when we get out there, is really nice and enclosed and private. So having the French doors there is a really nice little addition. But of course, you've got those fitted wardrobe cupboards there as well, so there's plenty of room in here for a double bed. We'll take one last stroll through the centre of the property, and we'll go outside and take a look at this really lovely sunny back garden. So I'll take you just down the side here and show you over the gate here. It's side access straight through to the front of the property again, where that extension is. And as we come straight back into the grassed area of the garden, you'll see there's plenty of sheds here at the moment, which is nice and good. But looking back at the property, it's got that really nice sort of awning or veranda look at the back to it, which is really, really nice. And once you've spent a bit of time in this garden just upgrading it and improving it, it's going to offer somebody a really nice and relaxing space, and it's certainly not an opportunity that you'd want to miss.